If you're frustrated with those constant OneDrive ads and notifications popping up in Windows, especially in File Explorer and the Start menu, today I'm going to show you exactly how to get rid of them. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a cleaner, less distracting Windows experience. No more nags to back up files to OneDrive or those promotional bars telling you all about cloud syncing options. So let's dive right in and reclaim a little bit of peace on your PC. First, let's tackle those ads in File Explorer. You might have noticed sometimes when you open a folder, there's a banner at the top suggesting you try OneDrive for file syncing or backup. It's one of those things you might see so often you just tune it out, or maybe it annoys you every time. Either way, you can actually disable this pretty easily. Start by opening File Explorer. Just click on the folder icon in your taskbar or press Windows plus E on your keyboard. Once you're there, look at the very top of the window and you'll see three little horizontal dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Give that a click and from the dropdown choose Options. You might have to squint a little because sometimes on smaller screens this menu can look a bit cramped. Now a new window will pop up. Click over to the View tab at the top. That's where Windows hides a bunch of its more advanced display settings. Go ahead and scroll down through all the options. There are quite a few, but you're looking for one labeled Show Sync Provider Notifications. This is Microsoft's not-so-obvious name for those OneDrive banners. Uncheck it by clicking the box. Essentially, you're telling Windows that you're not interested in those alerts about syncing and backup, and trust me, unchecking this won't affect your actual files or folders. It just silences the ads. After you've unchecked that box, don't forget to click Apply and then OK at the bottom of the window. Give yourself a moment. Sometimes File Explorer needs a second to update the settings. The next time you open a folder, you should notice those promotional banners are gone. Alright, now let's address the Start menu notifications, the little badge or nudge that appears by your user profile icon, usually suggesting you back up files to OneDrive. If you're not planning to use OneDrive for backup or you handle backups another way, let's turn off those reminders. Go ahead and open the Settings app. You can do this quickly by pressing Windows plus I on your keyboard or by clicking the Start menu and selecting the gear-shaped icon. From there, find Personalization. It's usually marked by a paintbrush icon. Inside Personalization, click on Start. Here you'll see a few different toggles for what Windows shows in your Start menu. Find the option that says Show Account-Related Notifications. This is what causes those little alerts and recommendations to pop up by your profile icon. Just toggle this off. It should slide to the left and change color, indicating it's turned off. And that's it. Those backup nags and OneDrive prompts in your Start menu should disappear. So with just a few quick tweaks, you've taken control back from some of those persistent ads, making your Windows environment a little more personalized and a lot less cluttered. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. If you have any questions or you're still seeing notifications after these steps, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And of course, if you want more simple how-tos and tech tips, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your less distracting Windows experience.